Today we will talk about symbolic meanings associated with broken glass, which is a common motif in many different cultural systems. And I'll be doing this as I finish up and work on this piece of art. You get to see it, it's coming together and all that. So let's get into the video. Glass is an impressive material, although symbolically it's commonly associated with ideas exactly the opposite of longevity and eternity. Glass is commonly seen as a symbol of fragility, vulnerability, and brittleness. Glass symbolism is dual. It represents things that are fragile, but also things that are protective and strong. Glass could be symbolized invisible protection, but also brittle and unsteady one. Glass stands for clairvoyance and ability to see through things. It stands for things you are aware and those of which you are not. While glass symbolism is general of a dual nature, if we focus on broken glass only, meanings associated with one side of general glass symbolism. Broken glass generally symbolizes something that is brittle, weak, vulnerable, fragile, and easily damaged. Glass could be incredibly strong material, but also unbelievably fragile depending on the thickness in the first place. So, for example, beautiful, sparkling, and breathtaking pieces of glass art seen in glass-made decorative balls and little figures for Christmas trees are incredibly tender and easily breakable. On the other side, there are glass structures that are unbelievably strong. Some architectural pieces, glass doors, windows, and so on. So, broken glass usually stand for things that are damaged and that are gone for good. Metaphorically, it represents not only actual objects that are broken, but also relationships that are broken or corrupted, things that are bad and that cannot be undone, and everything else. It is interesting because glass is, in general, something that can always be revived. However, it could be shaped up again, but in a new form. That being said, broken glass could also be seen as a symbol of transformation and inevitability of change. Broken glass symbolizes the importance of accepting change no matter what their nature is. Life goes on and we should not cry over spilled milk, but pull ourselves back together and move forward. With all that being said, we come to the end of this video, which was about symbolic meaning of glass and broken glass, to be precise. In the next episode, I'll be talking about broken glass superstitions in various cultural concepts. Plus, I'll be also addressing the dreams about broken glass and interpreting what dreams about broken glass entirely mean. So yeah, and together with that, I'll be finishing this piece of art that I was doing with you, and you'll get to see the final product. Thanks guys for tuning in. So until next time guys, stay passionate and be creative. Goodbye.